so much. Today was a requested video to do the Birria tacos. I hope I pronounced it correctly. I have 9 Birria tacos here. I have chicken. I don't even know which is which, but we're going to eat every drop of this because I'm starving. There's chicken, lamb, and steak. I have this lamb soupy, like what you dip it in. It's called lamb stew. This is called lamb stew. I'm going to be dipping the tacos in this. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I got lime, hot sauce here, water here. You guys, I'm ready to dig in. I'm not ready to do too much any more talking. So I'm ready to dig in. Oh my goodness, I don't know which one is which. Oh, y'all, look how good that looks. And this stew is really hot. Let me put some lime on it. All right, here we go, you guys. I'm ready. Let me put a little bit of this on there. This one is a steak. I got this from a Mexican restaurant in my area. Thank you so much for requesting this. That is good. That is good. I like the green sauce better than the red sauce. No. I'm gonna try this one. This one looks like chicken. Here we go. Yeah, that's much chicken. Yummy. The chicken is delicious, but so far I like the steak the best. Y'all, this is so good. I don't know what to do with myself. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Alright, let's try. This is the lamb. I'm gonna put some some of these onions and cilantro in. I'm gonna get some lime. Ooh. Ooh. Mm. 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 So good. Mm. 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 Y'all, this is so good. Mm. 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 Unbelievable. Mm. 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 Mexican. I have something in my drink. Some cilantro fell in my drink. Mexican, you guys, is my favorite. One of my favorites. Mm. So good. If you guys never had this, you gotta try it. It's just, it's like a quesadilla taco. Mm. And it's so good. Mm. And it's crunchy. It has a really nice crunch to it. But it's better to me than like a hard shell taco. Hard shell tacos are crispy, but this is better because it has the cheese, the meat, and whatever you want grilled in there. And it's so good. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. So much flavor. I have some cilantro in my water. Oh man. Mm. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. I definitely like, the steak is my favorite. The lamb will be my second. And then chicken third. Cheesy and delicious. Oh my God. When it's all in your mouth, that tastes so good. Y'all, please try this. If you like quesadillas, if you like Mexican food, and you like tacos, you're gonna love it. You are going to love it. I'm gonna eat my last. My lamb and chicken, I'll just give that to somebody else. It's good, but these were the best. What should I eat next, you guys? What should I eat next? Oh, this is good. This is so good. Oh man. Ooh. Ooh, Lord have mercy. This is so good. You guys, we doing it. We doing it. This is what, day 4? Back to back. We doing it. I am full. You guys, I say yes, yes, yes to this meal. It is absolutely positively delicious. You know what I say, bursting with flavor. And it tastes even better when you eat it with your stew. So good. All right, y'all. Shout out to you if you requested this meal. Leave your comments down below what you want to see next. Woo! Y'all, I am full. Leave your comments down below what you guys want to see me eat next. I need your help with some ideas, but I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye!